13 driving secrets only smart drivers know. Think you know how to drive? What if I told you there are hidden tricks your car already knows, but you don't? From boosting fuel efficiency to saving hundreds in surprise repairs, these 13 secrets separate smart drivers from the rest. And at the end, I'll reveal one steering wheel feature that's been hiding in plain sight. One that can change the way you drive forever. Let's get started. Is your car shifting rough, slipping gears, or feeling sluggish? Before you panic or head to a mechanic, try this simple reset. Turn off your engine. Press the gas pedal all the way down and hold it for 15 seconds. Release the pedal and start the engine. This resets your transmission control module, the brain that handles your car's shifting logic. Over time, that module gets confused by changes in driving habits. A reset helps it relearn smooth gear transitions. This won't fix broken parts, but if the problem is software-based, this free trick might save you hundreds. You adjust your mirrors, but there are still blind spots. That's where blind spot monitoring comes in. This system uses radar or sensors to detect vehicles just outside your view. When something's there, a warning light flashes in your side mirror or even your dashboard. Some cars even beep if you try to change lanes. This isn't just a luxury, it's a lifesaver. Studies show it reduces lane change collisions by up to 14%. Pro tip: even experienced drivers should trust the system. It reacts faster than your eyes, especially in bad weather or heavy traffic. Ever pulled up to the pump, only to guess, or worse, get out, to see where the fuel cap is? Look at your fuel gauge. Next to the fuel icon is a tiny arrow. Arrow points left. Fuel cap is on the driver's side. Arrow points right. It's on the passenger side. This small icon is built into nearly every car made after 2005, and yet most drivers have no idea it exists. Once you know, you'll never forget which side to use again. Key fob dead. Don't panic. Most modern remotes use two systems. An active system for long-range unlocking. A passive system for starting the car, even with a dead battery. Here's what to do. Hold the fob within an inch of the push-to-start button. The car will recognize it and start. You don't need a tow truck or a spare key. This trick can save you in an emergency, and it works on most newer cars. That snowflake symbol on your dash, it's not for decoration. It's a road condition indicator triggered by a sensor near your car's front bumper. Since it's away from the engine, it gives an accurate reading of outside temperature. If that light comes on, it means ice could be forming. That's your cue to slow down and stay alert, even if the road looks fine. Most drivers ignore this light. Experienced drivers know it can prevent accidents. Forget the old cruise control. Today's cars come with adaptive cruise control, and it's a game changer. Here's how it works. Set your cruising speed. The system automatically slows down when traffic appears. When the road clears, it speeds up again. It even works in stop-and-go traffic, taking away the stress of long drives. You don't need to constantly adjust or hit the brakes. Less fatigue, more focus, safer driving. A dead fob doesn't mean you're locked out. Look at your remote. There's a small release switch or button. Slide it, and out pops a hidden mechanical key. But where does it go? Check under the driver's door handle. You'll see a tiny slot. Use your backup key to pop the cover off. Underneath is a real keyhole. No locksmith. No tow truck. Just smart driving. Secret number 6. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPS. Ever seen a yellow light shaped like a tire with an exclamation mark? That's your TPS warning. This system is required by law in most modern cars and alerts you when your tire pressure is too low, even just a few PSI off. Low pressure may not seem like a big deal, but it decreases fuel efficiency, increases tire wear, can even cause dangerous blowouts. Some vehicles even show the exact PSI for each tire. For older models, you'll need to check manually, but either way, never ignore this light. Just a few minutes of tire maintenance could save you fuel, safety, and hundreds in tire replacements. Secret number 5. DIY headlight cleaning hack. Foggy headlights reduce nighttime visibility dramatically. But instead of buying expensive kits, try this. Grab some non-gel toothpaste. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth. Rub it in circular motions across the headlight lens. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry. To keep the lenses protected, finish with a layer of car wax. In minutes, your headlights will look almost new, and night driving will be clearer and safer. Secret number 4. Side mirror defrosters. Can't see out of your mirrors in cold or rainy weather? You're probably forgetting one of your car's most useful winter features, side mirror defrosters. To activate, find your mirror adjustment switch. Turn it to the center or defrost icon. Looks like a square with wavy arrows. Mirrors will begin heating automatically, clearing fog, rain, or frost within seconds. This works in rainy seasons too, not just snow. A clear mirror equals safer lane changes. Secret number 3. Instantly defog your windshield. Fogged up windshield. Here's how to clear it fast and prevent it. Short-term fix. Crack a window to balance the inside/outside humidity. Use the defrost setting and turn the A/C on. Yes, even in winter, it dries the air. Long-term prevention hack. Apply shaving cream to the inside of the glass. Wipe it off completely with a dry cloth. It leaves behind a thin anti-fog barrier, just like scuba goggles. You'll never need to wipe with your sleeve again. Secret number 2. How to get more miles from every tank. Fuel prices got you stressed? Small driving tweaks can stretch your mileage. Accelerate gently. Hard starts burn more fuel. Maintain a steady speed. Use cruise control when possible. Don't carry junk. Extra weight equals extra work for your engine. Check tire pressure regularly. Underinflation equals higher rolling resistance. Keep up with oil changes and air filters. A clean engine is a fuel-efficient engine. Smart driving isn't just smoother, it's cheaper. Secret number 1. The fuel cap holder is more important than you think. Think your fuel cap holder is just for convenience? Think again. Leaving the cap dangling scratches your paint, risks dirt entering the fuel system, can trigger engine codes or damage injectors. Worst case, dirt contaminates your fuel pump and leads to $3,000 plus repairs. The holder, usually a plastic hook or clip inside the gas door, is there for a reason. Use it every time. The hidden meaning behind steering wheel dots. Ever notice the tiny raised bumps on your steering wheel? They're not random. They mark the 9 and 3 o'clock hand positions, the safest place to grip your wheel during driving or in an airbag deployment. Why it matters. Better vehicle control. Safer hand position in case of a crash. Helps newer drivers stay centered. It's a tiny design cue with a huge impact on safety. Which of these driving secrets blew your mind? Drop it in the comments. If this video made you smarter behind the wheel, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a few pro tips. But before you go, Are you guilty of driving habits that slowly destroy your engine? Don't make these expensive mistakes. Watch our next video. Horrible driving habits that ruin your engine and wallet. Drive smarter. Spend less. Stay safe.